Hi, my name is Sandhya and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing an instant snack recipe using bread and noodles. This is very interesting, so do try it out. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell, and as well as like, share and comment. So let's start with the noodles. I have a pan in here with some oil heating up, into which I'm going to add some chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. We'll saute them until they turn soft. Now I'm adding the noodle seasoning into it. And we'll just saute it for a minute. Let's add a cup of water now and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add in the noodle cake. We'll cook it until it's completely dry. So the noodles is dried up. Now we are going to cool this completely before we start using it for the snack. So I've got bread slices, noodles and the mixture of maida and water here. I've made a thick paste out of it. Now let's start working on the bread. First we are going to dip the bread in some water and squeeze out all the excess moisture like this between the palms. Now we'll place the bread on the chopping board. And then add the noodle which we have cooked and kept ready. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of the filling. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the maida paste to the other edge of the bread. Now slowly we'll roll it into a cylindrical shape. Be extremely gentle, otherwise the bread will break. Now we'll seal it from all sides using the maida paste. So that's one roll ready, we'll make the rest of them. Now I've placed a pan on fire. I've added some oil and heated it. We'll place the rolls into this oil one by one. We'll cook them until they turn golden brown in color. I'm just flipping this so that it cooks from both sides. Once they turn golden brown from all sides, you can remove them into a plate. So the snack is ready. Do try this out and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.